Kalighat painting, characterized by its bright colors and bold outlines, evolved as a unique genre of Indian painting in 19th century Bengal. Done on a cloth or pattas, they depicted conventional images of gods and goddesses and scenes from epics such as Tulsidas, Rama Charita. The artists were village folk who travelled from place to place with their scroll paintings and sang out the scenes from the epics depicted in these paintings during village gatherings and local festivals. These artists were called patuas or painters on cloth. From the depiction of gods and other mythological characters, these paintings developed over time to reflect a variety of themes. Kalighat town on the banks of Hooghly, named after its famous ancient Kali temple of Kalikshetra, with its constant visitors and pilgrims, provided the perfect opportunity for local artists to produce and sell small, inexpensive religious souvenirs. The patuas traditionally painted long narrative stories, often over 20 feet in length, influenced by the different art forms around them, and with a need to work quickly, the patuas abandoned their linear narrative style in favor of single pictures involving one or two figures. The background were left plain, all non-essential details were removed, and basic combinations of colors were used. This created the key characteristics of the Kalighat genre. Unconventional tools such as squirrel or goat hair were used to make brushes that were used for sketch drawings for these paintings. Black ink was made using soot produced by burning an oil lamp under a pot. Other vibrant colors used for filling the paintings were essentially homemade in the form of either vegetable dyes or powdered stone fragments of different colors. Dry colors would often be mixed with either gum or water to create paint fit to be used on paper and textile. Kalighat paintings primarily used of basic colors like indigo, blue, black, yellow, red and green made from homemade dyes. Only for ornamentation would artisans use silver and gold. In this structured, module-based 20 hours course, you shall first learn the basics of outline and usage of colors and then move on to creating this art on different surfaces like canvas, cloth bag, clock. All through the course, we share tips and tricks that makes your experience even more exciting. We also share a set of do's and don'ts to keep you right on track. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and unleash your creativity.